Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel. Today I'm going to try to ride the McClinchy Classic on Camano. Dang it. Today I'm going to try to ride the McClinchy Classic on Camano Island. Let's have some fun. The 2025 version of the McClinchy Camano Classic Century, colloquially known as the McClinchy Mile, started in the town of Stanwood, Washington. We began by doing the Blue Loop, which went through Snohomish and Skagit counties. The route had 3 main loops with options that riders could choose from, with the longest route combining all 3 loops for a total of 103 miles with over a mile of climbing. Initially, I wasn't planning on doing the full 103-mile ride, as I hadn't been training for long-distance biking. But I was riding with my longtime friend and riding buddy, Nick, who inspires me to push myself harder. So I decided I would try my best and go for it. I saw folks with a familiar kit on the way to the first rest stop. It was good to see some Best Side cycling folks on the ride. Arriving back in Stanwood, we finished the Blue Loop and refueled at the school. Next up was the Orange Loop, which circled around Camano Island in a counterclockwise fashion, mostly following the signed Camano Island bike route. Now, I had a lot of trouble trying to pronounce the word Camano correctly before, during, and after the ride. My brain just wants to read it as Camano. Of course, it doesn't help that the island was named for Spanish explorer Jacinto Caamaño Moraleja, who visited the Pacific Northwest in the 1790s, because that's an entirely different pronunciation. Anyways, riding around the island was wonderful, as the brutal climbs led to descents with gorgeous coastal views. The island has an older name. Indigenous tribes like the Kikialis and Snohomish, who had been living here for thousands of years, called it Kalutchin, or land jutting out into a bay. My favorite part of the ride was after the second Camano rest stop, as we were riding along the east coast of the island, enjoying the views next to Port Susan. Leaving the island and getting back into Stanwood again, we finished the Orange Loop. My legs were sore and tired, but at 87 miles we were so close to reaching 100, so we decided to do the Green Loop and get those last miles. I warned Nick that I would be groaning, whining, and complaining, but I would still do it. And I did not lie when I said that. One nice thing is that the Green Loop had a minimal amount of climbing, as it went mostly through farmland. While I'm clearly struggling right now, here's a fun fact. The Bikes in Bikes Club of Snohomish County stands for Bikers Ideal Kinematic Exploration Society. Finishing our Century ride back in Stanwood, we headed over to Sal Brewing for some delicious tacos and beer.
Whew. Okay, I am sore, but that was a lot of fun, and we were able to finish all 3 loops. I will probably do the McClinchy Classic again because I really enjoyed it. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.